How to use American Express gift card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to use your American Express gift card online. In order to use your American Express gift card online, all you have to do is first thing open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in www.americanexpress.com, or you can simply type in amexgiftcard.com. This is going to direct you to the official site, and here in order to redeem your gift card, all you have to do is make sure that you're already logged in and grab the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner. While you do that, go to check balance button. After that, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you need to go through all sort of statement and details. So here, in order to redeem your code, you'll have to provide in the card number, that is the number on the card that must be located on the front of the card, and then the expiry date and a year. Enter in the 4-digit code, that is your SCVV or security code, and email, that is optional whether you can add it or just leave it blank, and click the continue button. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully added American Express gift card, and all you can do is just get certain amount of discount after using a redemption code. So that's basically how you can use American Express gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.